So for the next one is fraction. So how are we going to use formatting for the fraction formats? So to understand the formatting for fraction, if I were to enter say 0.25 or 0.25 and enter, so this is how it gets changed. And if I were to enter 0.50 and press enter, it gets changed. It has to similarly reflect the formatting that I've got. So for that, just press Ctrl 1 and go to fractions and click OK. So immediately that 0.5 would be changed to 1/2. So if I have 0.75, I need that formatting. So press Ctrl 1 and go to fractions and click on OK. So this is the best understanding for fractions. Right, this is the best formatting for fractions. So having made that clear, let us go into the next one. So students, now we will look into the next formatting. So press Ctrl 1. So we have seen fraction and we will now see scientific. So if you want this number 3/4 to be represented in a scientific fashion, and this is the representation that we will get. So just click OK and we will get this representation here. So you want to change 1/2 to scientific, press Ctrl 1 and go to scientific, and this is the value that you will get if you are changing to scientific notation. And similarly for 1/4, Ctrl 1, go to scientific and press OK. So this is a scientific representation of the numbers that we have entered in the table. Now, this comes in handy when we're dealing with scientific data, and you don't need to worry as of now. So let's move on to the next type. So I'm pressing Ctrl 1. You got, after scientific, you got text. Now, there's nothing much special about text. So if you are converting, say, for example, this particular, let me just highlight the cell, say 123.8900 and pressing Ctrl and 1 going to text, that number would be displayed as a text, meaning it would be left aligned. And this is how it looks because it's a negative number and it's getting aligned left. Now, just because we have declared the format type for text, it doesn't mean we would not be able to perform any calculations on this particular number. We would still be able to add and perform other mathematical calculations. So it is just a format type that is available for us. Now, the next format type that we have to know is what is called a special. Now, click on special. Say, for example, if your location is United States, you've got these list of available formats. Now I'm going to give you an example for this type. So let me have this number, say 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 2. So we got 3 6 7 8 8 9 and 10. So I've taken a 10-digit number and I'm going to click on this, press Ctrl 1, go to special. Now, if I were to say zip code +4, then see what happens. There is a break after 4 digits and hyphen is introduced. You follow me? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Ctrl Z, I'm going to copy this number and I'm going to enter it here. And I'm going to enter the same number. Now for the first number, Ctrl 1, I'm going to go to special and click on this formatting, zip code +4. For the second one, Ctrl 1, I'm going to go and click on this. So this displays the code, the area code for America. And since it is too big, you need to extend it so it gets printed there. And now Ctrl 1, go to special, social security number. This is the way it is displayed. So I press OK. So wherever you got large volumes of phone numbers and the zip codes and the social security numbers to be handled, you can use this formatting. and it comes in handy. So students, we will go on to the next one, which is custom formatting, which is of much importance when we are dealing with special types of data.